In this video, I want to talk to you about a Magsafe charger for your iPhone 16 that I find very useful. And I'm talking about this one over here, the Anker 622 magnetic battery, MagGo. What does it do? Well, it attaches on the back of your iPhone magnet, like that, and it charges your phone without taking much space. And you still can use your iPhone 16 while the battery is attached. As you see here, it fits perfectly with the bottom, so it does not go above. And sure, it won't be comfortable necessarily to hold it, although it's doable, but you'll be able to extend the battery of your phone a lot. What do I mean by a lot? Well, this battery has 5000 milliamp, which means that you'll be able to charge fully your iPhone 16 one time and a half. If you're using your iPhone 16 with a case, make sure that the case has the MagSafe feature. If not, this small battery over here won't work. So if I put this case that has it, I'll be able to still attach it, and as you see, it does not move even if I move the iPhone in any direction. One of my favorite feature of this MagSafe portable charger is that it has a stand built in. Just look. So the back over here has this texture. There's a small gap on the top that you can open this flap and put it like that. It can stand in your desk and simply attach your iPhone like that. And yeah, it's like a mini desk stand at the same time. And of course, it still works if you put the iPhone in the other direction. So if you like to watch a movie, you see, with the small stand, you'll still be able to look at your screen while it's charging. Now, when the battery is done, when you need to charge your charger, you have a USB Type-C port over here. It came with this USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable in the box, but honestly, I don't use it. This is why it's still packed. It's way too small in my opinion. I prefer using a much longer one that I just have to connect here. There is a bunch of lights on this side that will tell you when it's fully charged. You see, when it's fully charged, all of them are lit up. And yeah, much more practical to have a longer cable. Now, if you want to know how much battery is left in this charger, you just have to press this button down below once and look at these lights, and it will tell you over here it's almost full. There's 1 bar missing. Now you may ask, how much time does it take to charge your iPhone using this charger? Well, from my own experience, if your iPhone 16 is at 0% and you want to go to 100%, well, it will take around 3 hours. This means that it's charging at 7.5 watts. It's not super fast charging by any means, but it will get there. One of the only downside that I found of this case is that your phone may get warm when it stays attached for longer periods. Let's say after 15 minutes, I would say, even 10 minutes sometimes, your phone can get very warm, especially in the back here. So this is something you need to keep in mind. I won't recommend this charger if you're going to use it attached to a desk. So if your phone will be staying on it, let's say every night, or most of the day on your desk while you're working, I don't necessarily recommend it, because your phone will be warm and it will stay warm for all this time, for many hours during the day. So obviously this is not optimal. But if you're traveling and you just want a quick charge from time to time, I think this is where this charger shines. It's so versatile that I can use it both direction. It has the stand, you know, if you're in a cafe or somewhere and you want to watch without having to touch while you're eating, let's say, well, just put the stand in the back. Very easy to do, you see, in just a few seconds. Boom, you can watch whatever on your iPhone 16. I'll put the link in the description if you want to get this Anker 622 MagSafe charger. I'll put a link in the description to get one from Amazon. Leave a like, comment down below, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.